Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP490 software on your Windows, macOS, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't really matter which one, and into Google you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP490 support. One of the best results should say Canon support for PIXMA MP490. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, scroll down underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then underneath the third section here, select the My Printer in here and select download. And once it's downloaded to our computer, go ahead and open it up to run it. And it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. Select next. Select your region and then country. You want to agree to the license terms and then select next. And then if you want to, you can create a shortcut on your desktop for this application and you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, you can launch that application and run the diagnostic and repair utility, and then that would hopefully be able to troubleshoot common issues you may be having with your connection. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.